it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are here with Richboss. Yeah, Richboss with Ghetto product. Yes, the one that is off on EP when just dropped. So I'm gonna leave if you wanna rate the song, yeah, I'm gonna leave some more work from him. I'm gonna leave him Vivo channel in the description. I'm gonna also leave some other songs from him after the EP in the description as well. You understand? So let me know how I'm going in the comment section. If you wanna rate it, don't know, put some fire emoji. You see me? Yeah. They got the production team here now that 007 007 films, ZJ Neil, big up yourself. You don't know. Shot by you, produced by you, same way. JA Tag 13 and Tiger, big up yourself. Let's jump in the one and see what Richboss have to sell, man. The music video, so let's go. Get a product, 007 films, yes sir. Biggest spliff. Go and get a product, man.
Them nah have no love in them heart for the youths. We hold it on the streets. Them nah have no love in them heart. The sparse and them nah food for eat. Them nah have no love in them heart for the youths. We hold it on the streets. Them nah have no love in them heart. The sparse and them nah food for eat. Them nah have no love. Get to you to fight the fight. Them give a gun then send the cops to take a life. Judge.
True, man. Them not love for true. Cause them same one get the gun, then them send police go kill you. After them done use you to do what them want. Yo. Real meds, me G. Definitely. Guys, if you don't rate that one and put some fire emoji, like me say, comment section, get active for that one, man. The Vivo pin down there. So you can go follow him. Tell him that JAMAICA'S game is sending over there. Please and thank you. Let's go.
Them nah have no love in them heart for the youths. We hold it on the streets. Them nah have no love in them heart. The sparse and them nah food for eat. Them nah have no love in them heart for the youths. We hold it on the streets. Them nah have no love in them heart. The sparse and them nah food for eat. Them nah have no love. Get to you to fight the fight. Them give a gun then send the cops to take a life, Jaja. The one miss you send on the road, me beg your guide. Me know you see the things them what them do cause you're not blind, Jah guide me.
Yeah man, God not sleeping now. Remember say God not sleeping now. Gotta watch everything we're not doing, dog. That's what the G to the right you say now. The man say, yo, me know say you see everything what them do. Yeah, me know you see it, man. Wicked wretches.
Send on the road, me beg your guide. Me know you see the things them what them do cause you're not blind, Jah guide me. Me know them not like me. The pressure is real, but my firm is not like you alone.
Jah guide me, cause I know them not like me. Certain things like a person can just get up and just not like you for no reason, so dog. Like, I don't know how mankind build up, so bro. That's how the G says. And he's fully aware of that. He's fully aware of that. So he might talk to Father God and I tell Father God, say him no. Say them not like him. Him no.
Not them nobody like me. The pressure is real, but my firm is not like you alone can see the vision, so just keep on fighting. Them nah have no love in them heart for the youths. We hold it on the streets. Them nah have no love in them heart. The sparse and them nah food for eat. Them nah have no love in them heart for the youths. We hold it on the streets. Them nah have no love in them heart. The sparse and them nah food for eat.
Second verse.
Them nah have no love, and me see that modern type of slavery get to youth. I hope you see that.
Modern day slavery, enough of them I got through. Enough of we I got through it right now, pan earth. Modern day slavery, dog. You see me? Yeah, modern day slavery. So the youth are telling that as the second verse start, Richboss jumping it and telling
them. move and me see that. Modern type of slavery get to youth, I hope you see that. Them try for hold we down, the big guys now want we reach a 007. Me know me have to reach in the future.
Believe. 007, believe. Yeah, man say I have to reach in the future. The bigger heads, them no want up. Them no want stop crime. Them no want you get rich. Them no want you dip on a level and fall come live beside of them. Them no want that. Them no want that because them want up on the hilltop looking down at you. Claim to them better than you, but when you're dead, you go the same place to me, you go junk or even worse. Fuck yourself and all the binds there. Binds.
We down the big guys now want we reach a 007. Me know me have to reach in the future. My mother birth a star, so none of them can stop the youth. Me know me have to reach in the future. My mother birth a star, so none of them can stop the youth. If you really want to stop somebody, you better stop a Uber.
Mother birth a star. None of them can stop the youth, yeah. If you really want to stop somebody, better you go stop a Uber. Binds.
So none of them can stop the youth. If you really want to stop somebody, you better stop a Uber. Yeah. Me nah no time for it, cause certain things me start maneuver. Jaja bless me upon the journey, now go ever see me lose.
Vocals. 007 music, yeah man. Booklet. In memory of Yvette White, 1971 to 2022. R.I.P. Yvette. Alright, let me see what else I go on there. So if something else I go on there, so. Okay, that's it. Yeah man. Memory of Yvette White. R.I.P. You see me? Yo! The JAMAIC'S, the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, bro. Vocal bad too. Let me know what wanna think about that one. I still like me said that one I forgot off him EP when him just dropped. So here I go on. I go left a song here and others down in the comment section. The link is gonna be down there for it. So me make it easier for you. Make it easier for you. Just go over there. Tell them say you're a JAMAICA'S gamer and subscribe to him YouTube channel. You see me? Yeah man, Richboss, big up yourself, bro. You see me? Believe. DJ Neil, believe. Yeah man, 007 Records. 007 Music, sorry, not record, 007 Music. Big up yourself, production team, yeah, no one. This time I'm gonna leave down still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more, drop a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and definitely see you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.